Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about outsourcing or business process outsourcing. In short form, it is known as BPO. Many activities have to be performed for the successful conduct of business, like production, buying, selling, advertising, etc. So we know that to conduct a business successfully, many activities are performed. Like first the goods is produced, then certain raw materials are bought, goods are produced, advertising is done, and then selling is done, and many other steps. When the scale of business is small, the businessman used to perform these activities easily. So when the company or the business is in a small form, all these can be performed easily. However, with the enlargement of the scale of business, this job becomes tedious. But when it's a big company, it's a big business, then all these work, that is production, buying, selling, advertising, etc., all this becomes a very, very tedious and tough job. Therefore, in order to overcome the difficulties connected with the performance of many activities and to get the benefits of specialization, these services are now obtained from outside the organizations. So in a large organization, to get the benefits of specialization, all these activities like production, buying, selling, advertising, all these are now obtained from the outside organization, which is specialized in the process of production or selling or advertising, etc. This getting the work performed from the outside company or outside the organization is called outsourcing of services or BPO. A very good example is, if Reliance Industries Limited wants to advertise its Vimal brand of clothing, it will appoint Anmol Advertising Company to design, prepare and release advertisement on its behalf. So if the Reliance Industries, which is selling its good on the brand name Vimal, Vimal is a clothing brand, and if it wants to advertise its Vimal brand, because Reliance is a manufacturer, it is not expert in advertising. So for the advertising purpose, it will give the advertising work or job to the Anmol Advertising Company, which is specialized in the process of advertising, where the Anmol Advertising will design the advertisement, prepare the advertisement, and then release the advertisement on behalf of the Reliance Industries. So this is basically, this whole process is called the BPO, that is business process outsourcing. Now, what is the need of BPO? Why do we need a BPO? BPO is essential because of three reasons. Number one is obtaining good quality service. If a company attempts to perform all the activities itself, there is every possibility of quality of services being affected adversely. We know that a company is not specialized in all the activities of the business. So if the company will try to perform all the activities, there is always a possibility that its core business will be affected. In order to avoid this difficulty, the need for obtaining service from outside is needed or felt. Now the second essential or reasons for the need of BPO is avoiding fixed investment in services. If a company attempts to get these services from within the organization itself, it has to establish different departments for this purpose, which involves huge investment. So we know that to establish a department, a special department, huge investment is required. And to save this huge investment, the company should outsource its job. Therefore, it appears justified to get these services from outside the organization at a little cost. So it is advisable that the company should get these services from outside the organizations who are specialists in this work at a very little cost. Now the third need for BPO is smooth running of business. Outsourcing of service is needed in order to run the business smoothly. So outsourcing of services is needed. Why? In order to run the business very smoothly. The attention of businessman gets distracted from various small things and will be focused on the main activities. So the attention of the businessman gets distracted from various small things and it will focus on the main activity of the business. Now the next topic is, what are the scope of BPOs? What is the scope of BPO? In modern business, many outside services are used. Out of these services, the following are the important ones. So what are the important outside services used in the BPO is number one, financial services. So the first scope of BPO is financial services. Second is advertising. Third is courier service. Fourth is customer support service. So the first is financial service. These services means those outside services which help the company in some way or the other in the management of finance. So financial services like insurance is a financial service, mutual fund, then depositing of the money, all this comes under the financial services. So financial services are those outside services which help the company in some way or the other to manage the finance of the business. The second scope of BPO is advertising service. Advertising is very necessary for increasing sales. So what is the use of advertising? To make the customer know about the product and also to increase the sales. If this service is obtained from outside agency, it will cost less and the quality of advertisement will also be good. So if the company will not open an advertising service in its own company, but obtain the advertising from the outside agency, it will be of less cost. Quality of advertisement will also be good, and as a result, it will increase the sales of the company. The third scope of BPO is courier services. These services means delivering goods, documents, parcels from company to customers and vice versa. So courier services basically means that the delivering of the goods, delivering of the documents, delivering of the parcels from the company to the customers or from the customers to the company. Now the last scope of BPO or business process outsourcing is customer support service. These services means delivering goods to customer and to give after sale services also. So customer support service is very important because delivering of the goods to the customer and giving the after sale service is also required by the customers. Generally the manufacturers of TV, fridge, AC, etc. use these customer support services. Today only this much. Thank you.